Hello, in this video I'm going to show the AI features that you might didn't know about on the HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Alright, so let's begin. Let's open up the settings, and now let's scroll down, and let's find the HUAWEI Assistant. You might didn't know about it that HUAWEI has its own AI assistant because it doesn't have, the Gemini or the Bixby when it comes with Samsung, for example. So in here we have a few features, as you can see. So I'll show you the one that I can. So maybe let's begin with the AI voice. It's like the Gemini, just like I have said, or like Siri. Below we can enable the voice wake up. We can say hi Celia to wake it up. We can also record a wake up phrase, and in here we have tips how to use it. So let me show you how to adjust it. Hi Celia. Hi Celia. Hey Celia. Hey Celia. Hey Celia. Okay, and now whenever we are ready, we can use this phrase to say hi Celia, and it should work right now. So now we can click on done, and thanks to that we can make a call, play some music, send a text message, and check what's the weather. Let's ask about the weather, but first let's say hi Celia. Hi Celia. What's the weather today? What's the weather in New York? Okay, and now as you can see we have our answer, so we can ask the Celia, the AI, what it is, and we get our answers. Let's get back into the settings and let's go with other things. In the AI voice, of course. We can also, we don't need to use the voice commands, we can also use the power button. We can enable it, and to turn on the AI, simply hold for 1 second. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, and now as you can see, the AI has been launched. So it works in both ways, with the command and the button. So now you know how to use it. Let's go back in again in here. We can also enable or disable the wired control. So now when we hold down the function button on our earphones, it will wake the AI also. We can also change the conversation language. In here we have a whole list. And in here we have the supported languages. You can take a look what languages are working with the AI. Okay, below we can enable the call when locked feature, so emergency calls can be made even when this is disabled. Okay, we can also enable the improve AI voice dictation feature. Below you can disable it, but I think you shouldn't do it. We can also enter the experimental features, and we have the continuous conversation. We can enable it or disable. Basically, when I'll ask the question to AI, and when I get my answer, after a few seconds, the AI will want me to continue the conversation automatically. So I don't need to click just to start saying. It will be started automatically. So if you want, you can disable it. Okay, so that when it comes to the AI voice. So just like I have said, it's like a Siri. Or the Gemini when it comes to the Android. Alright, below we have the AI lens. It is also pretty cool. So it stands for the scanning QR codes and barcodes, thanks to that. And also we can translate the text and get some real-time translation. Below we can also enable image sharing and authorization. But now let me show you how this works. Now to get access into this, we need to open up the camera app, and we need to click on that icon when we are on the photo mode. Okay, and now below we have the code scanner and also the translation. Currently I don't have any QR code to show you how to scan it, but now just simply grab your phone and place the QR code in front of the camera and simply scan it, and you will get your result. But when it comes to the translation, above on the upper bar we can select the language that we are detecting, but I suggest you should keep the auto detect. In here we have a list of languages that works, and on the right side select the language that you want to translate into. In here we have a list again, and now I'll need to point the camera into something with the text. So let's translate, for example, into Italian. And in here with me I have like the bottle of a spray. I don't know what it is, but let's take a photo of the text right in here, and let's see will it get translated. So I'll just need to point my camera in front of it. I need to also hold it steady. Okay, and now as you take a look, it has been successfully translated into Spanish when originally it's in Polish. You now can take a look on the differences. So on the right side we have the Polish language, and now on the screen, on the photo that I just taken, we have the Italian. Of course, it might not work always, maybe in some certain conditions, but it's fun feature. So you just know about it, and it might be also useful from time to time. Then we have the AI touch. In here, let's enable it. We can read about it in here. Sorry, not in here, but one thing above. Under the feature description. So we need to hold 2 fingers on the screen to identify objects, read QR codes, and do other stuff. So, for example, I just took a photo of this plant right in here, and now let's try what we can do by using the AI touch. So let's hold our 2 fingers on the screen. Okay, the AI touch wants to get enabled, so let's go and get started. Click on next, click on agree, click on agree once again. Okay, it wanted to scan the QR code, but I don't want it. I don't want to scan any QR code, but weird. So maybe let's try to do it in the browser. Maybe in here, let's try to like hold. Okay, currently it wants to scan the QR code, but I don't want to use that. I want to identify the object. Maybe I need to like select. Oh. Huh, weird. I don't know why it doesn't want to work in a proper way. But if you have some QR codes that are on the screen, you can use this mode. Actually, maybe we can type like random QR code to scan, and let's try how to use it. Okay, random QR generator, and let's try to hold it. Okay, and now as you can see, we have our thing, our result. So when it comes to that, the hidden message under the QR code was this text. Also, we have the AI search. To enable it, when we are on the home screen, we need to simply slide to the downside. To the upside, I'm sorry. Simply perform that kind of move, only with one finger. So, in here, the AI learns what you are doing, for example, in the internet, and it's suggesting you the apps that you might want to turn on or get to them. Or same thing with the pages. So it's like the personalized browser, we can say it in that way. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.